for aspiring candidates to apply for an internship at our prestigious Biotech Laboratory. Highlight the unparalleled opportunities for hands-on experience, mentorship from industry experts, and cutting-edge research projects awaiting them. Encourage applicants to showcase their passion for biotechnology, their academic achievements, and their eagerness to contribute to groundbreaking advancements in the field. Emphasize the collaborative and innovative environment of our lab, where interns will play an integral role in shaping the future of biotech. We offer internship in the field of study, plant tissue culture, avian care products, avian breeding, fishery care products, fishery breeding, pets care products, ecology survey, saffron indoor farming, exotic veggies TC, cordyceps e-mushroom, plants care products, handmade soaps, handmade candles, handicrafts, lab machineries making. Eligibility. Any college students with background of science, commerce, arts, engineering. For internship application, click a link in description.